Alright, got the panels up. Just gave them a quick wash, so they're as efficient as we can be. Let's take a look. Got those holes up there, which hopefully that box I built the other day works with it. I'll show you the box here quick. So we got the two pass-throughs, the in and out. The other one junctions them together. We got, I intentionally didn't fill foam right to the bottom here and here, as well as from the other side. So it gives me a little bit of wiggle room, because I know it's going to be hard to get them to 100% line up when I hook them up to both panels. But I think with that, the void space there, I'll just stuff with fiberglass insulation and then put my cap on here on both sides, top and bottom. I just gotta wait for this to cure because I just barely sprayed this side, so it's still a little squishy. All right, that planning definitely paid off. It took me less than a minute to pop that thing on there. All 4 ports lined up. I put a few extra screws in there, but see, it's all on there. Suck tight. So now we got 2 outputs. So we are going to plumb those along the wall, and still got to decide whether we're going to punch holes through or if we're going to make a replacement piece for this half of the window and pop that out, put in a filler, I guess, with the ports in it, and then for summertime it would come out. Right, there we have it. They're up. The white spots you see are the fog inside. That'll clear up when the air blows through there and the sun heats it up. And then we'll trim off the ends, 2x6s there, and then it's time to plumb it up and see what kind of heat we get out of it. So it's about 8 degrees outside. I just did the leaf blower test there again. It was hard to hold everything to video it, but so I didn't video it, but I had the leaf blower probably about half throttle, so it was blowing pretty good air. And it hit 72 degrees till finally it was climbing really slowly, but that's a huge temperature change, so this is going to be very beneficial.